Where are we today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I forgot.
What are we gonna do?
Go, and see how hot sauce has made.
That's right. Good job. Hey guys, my name is Lane Fornerette, aka Lane Vids, and this channel is all about having fun as a family, building stronger family bonds through science, travel, and family fun. So if you're into that, you might want to click that subscribe button. Today we are down at the Tabasco factory because it's on Avery Island, which is like 40 minutes from our house. Are you excited, bud? Yeah, what are we doing today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Going to our factory.
That's right, all right. You ready, Mom?
Yep.
All right, let's go see if the tour is open.
You get, bud.
Oop.
Look at an alligator sticker. We gotta wear these on our shirts so that they know that we paid.
Yeah.
Can I have an idea?
We can go ask the lady up there. She might give you one.
You have to wear this one too, though.
You have to wear that one too, though,
So they know
okay?
that we paid for you, okay?
Perfect.
Wait, why does it have an A and a B and an A and a T?
Because it says Tabasco. Perfect.
But can I have that alligator sticker?
Let's go ask.
Thank you so much.
All right. What do you say?
Thank you.
I like your shirt.
Thank you. All right. Oh, the family tree. There he is, the founder of Tabasco right there. Does he look pretty cool? He looks like he likes some hot sauce. Yeah. His name's Edmund McElhinney. What do you think about that?
Good.
Yeah.
What's his name?
John Avery McElhinney.
What's his name?
Edward Avery McElhinney. So this is all of Avery Island where the jungle gardens are, where you can go
And
and...
what is all this?
That's the
That's
marsh.
the marsh.
Look, and here's the Gulf of Mexico. It's so crazy how far we are, how close we are.
Yeah.
I cannot see it.
What'd you find, bud? A Tabasco camera. How fun is that? You want to take a picture with a Tabasco camera? Yeah.
Don't you have a Barbie doll in there?
They have a Tabasco Barbie doll. You want a Tabasco Barbie doll?
Yeah.
They give you a little tiny jar at the end so you can try it. Are you gonna try it?
No,
You don't want to try it?
but it tastes so spicy.
You think it's gonna be spicy? Yeah? Tabasco sauce usually is spicy. Yeah, we can go somewhere else. I'm
Gonna
done.
go to the greenhouse and see where the peppers are being grown?
I want to get the tiny Tabasco sauce.
Hey, you gotta go through all the tour first, and then they give you one. Come on, let's go to the greenhouse. That's where they grow all the plants that make the peppers.
But I want to finish all of the tour.
Well, we can come back to here. There's more than just this room. So the tour is divided into 8 different buildings or things that you can go in, and we're going to the greenhouse right now, and then we're gonna go to barrel aging. We did the first thing, which was the museum. So they've changed it up a lot since we were here last, so I'm curious to see what kind of new exhibits we'll get to see.
It's a fish. It's a bass fish. Get it? Tabasco.
Basco, I get it.
They
Choo-choo, Hot Pepper Express. So here's the second stop, the Tabasco greenhouse. Let's go check it out. You ready, bud? Go inside. Whoa. See, look, you can see the peppers growing on it. What?
There's 3 different peppers.
Ah.
Habanero.
Yeah, okay. Cool. So I'm assuming this is just a sampling of the greenhouses that they have on this property to show kind of what a greenhouse is like.
That's amazed at how much water goes on.
You're what?
I'm kind of amazed at how much water goes out.
Yeah.
Like, does it stay like that all the time?
I don't know. I would assume they're on some kind of timer. Right next door is the Barrel Aging Museum. There are a bunch of barrels. Yeah.
It smells stinkier.
It smells stinkier in here.
Like wood.
Yeah, oak. I guess that's an oak.
Yeah.
So it smells like.
White oak barrel.
I can breathe.
Iron
With my
cast.
mouth.
You don't like the smell of the wood?
Every ring.
I like it.
Stainless steel.
Makes me want to come smell them. You look.
Dude, yeah.
Ah, smell it.
Okay. Ah,
I thought you didn't like that
I
smell.
love it now since I smelled the bear.
You're so silly. How many?
I didn't count them all.
Oh, okay. She's counting all the barrels right now.
Stainless steel 316 ring.
84.
84? Gah! Jock, Amelia counted 84 barrels. They almost have 88. Are you counting them now?
I counted 21.
21, wow! So on the side of the museum, there's a place here where you can see all the barrels that are actually in production right now. They have a viewing window.
Or maybe that's like we just like to look at these barrels.
You like to look at the barrels? Yeah? It's always fun watching things age, huh? It's kind of like watching grass grow. You like watching grass grow?
No.
No? You just like watching barrels age? It is pretty neat, huh? How long do you think they keep those barrels there before they move them?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Maybe 60,000 years.
I don't think 60,000, but this barrel right here looks like it was placed on December of 2016. You see how it has a 12/2016
No.
on the little white paper on the barrel? Look right there. See how it says it on that little paper right there? At the top, it says 12/2016.
Right there on the side.
Yeah, see all the little papers?
Mm-hmm.
And look, they have some over there too. Right over there. See on that barrel right there up front? So we just learned that whenever a barrel is no longer able to be repaired, they take the barrels down and they break them up and they sell Tabasco flavored wood chips for you to use like for barbecuing. Such a good idea of reusing something that is not able to be used anymore. I love it whenever companies do that. Another cool thing about Tabasco is that this is a family-owned company from like 1868, I think. And that's just awesome to see a family working together to be able to create something as awesome as this. What do you think, bud? You gonna create something awesome like this? Huh? You gonna create something awesome like this, huh? I'm just gonna tickle you. I'm just gonna tickle you. Oh, you're falling. Let's go down. All right, recenter. Back up. So next is blending and the Avery Island experience. And then we'll do the salt mine experience, bottling line, and food flavors in Tabasco today. All right. I thought you were going into 5.
I sent you a second one that said I'm at 4.
Oh wow. Oh, they put their pepper seeds in a safe?
Wow, this is a fancy safe.
Wow, that is. That's intense. Yeah, bud, we will.
Yeah.
To unlock that drawer. Can I?
So not only did you get in the barrels of the hot sauce.
You ready to go up the stairs, bud? Let's go.
Scared.
There's nothing to be scared of. Come on. So can you see them actually moving, blending?
I can't.
Oh no, they're all
there's
closed.
something where you press the button and it maybe opens. So you
Smell the smell, feel the burn.
Okay, maybe the kids should stay back.
So the Tabasco peppers are aged in the white barrels for 3 years, and then this is where they go to turn into the final product. What's the next one?
5.
5?
Here's 5.
What about Avery Island?
Avery Island, okay. Open it up, bud. Pull, use those muscles.
We've been in this part.
Yeah, this is where they used to have the factory tours. Right. Yeah, I definitely remember this. So I wonder if that's where they do like product tests or something like that. I've got a whole bunch of cans of it, or bottles of it, mixed to some lab equipment. Huh. Oh, excuse me.
No worries. That's
QA lab?
Yep.
Nice, awesome. Uh-huh. A QA lab, like question and answers. They're trying to figure out different things about it.
Can we go?
And they test it.
Can we go in the QA lab?
I don't think so, bud. He works here. Turn around. There you go. This is a map of the island
I
here.
cannot see. What's that ball?
I don't know what that little ball is.
Mom,
Look, see these buildings right here?
Mom,
That's
what's
what
that
we're in right
ball?
now.
What
Don't
the?
step on the glass. There you go. That's fine. You
These
can
are
step on the
probably
wood.
certain
Step on the wood.
points
See, that's the buildings that we're in right now.
that are on the map.
Oh,
And they have some lakes and all these trees. Look, that's all where they grow the peppers. You see all the fields back there? Is that cool?
We're on the middle one.
Yep, we're on the middle one, I think. Number 6 is right here. The salt mines. Look at this.
What is it?
Is that salt? You
Yeah.
think it's real?
No.
I don't know. I
Do I
can't tell.
smell it?
Does it smell?
No, like nothing.
It doesn't smell like anything. Huh.
I can't tell if this is salt.
I don't know. I don't know if that's real or not.
No.
See, look, this is salt on the surface of the island.
I cannot.
Long time ago. You think that's real? I couldn't tell. Yeah? Like. Huh? You want me to?
No.
Oh, why not? What, bud?
It's not real because it has this.
Well, this is just sitting on here. They just put that on there to hold it so they can move it because it's super, super heavy. Is that cool? Look, and you can go inside here to learn about the salt domes.
I'm gonna go.
Go! Oh, look, I have one of these signs. Go on in.
There's a statue in mine.
It's a mannequin, yeah. Shows you the workers. Let me switch to the. So these are the mannequins right here of the workers.
Like what a salt mine is like.
Yeah. If you were inside of a salt mine where you mine for salt, you find big chunks of salt. And they put them into these buckets and then they roll them out and then they sell them.
They grind it up.
They grind it up and sell it.
What about those bags?
Sometimes they use bags. They need to carry some stuff out. So Sterling Salt, that must have been like the salt company that was here that they used to sell through. Yes, Amelia?
Cave.
What?
Cave.
Yeah, it's a salt mine. So it's made of kind of like a cave. You remember the cave that we went to in Florida?
Uh-huh.
They just have salt inside of it so that people can go in, companies can go in and they mine the salt. Because they needed salt to make Tabasco.
Why do they have flashlights on it?
Because it was dark inside.
It's dark inside caves.
Oh, look, you can see where they put the stuff in the bottle.
All right, this is the bottling line.
This is putting all the caps on.
Is that cool? Watch out for my GoPro. Looks like that rotating thing puts the caps on it. See how they come through without caps, and then whenever they're done, they have caps on them.
I wonder why she takes some of them off. Is it because they didn't get filled all the way?
Either that or they're broken. I don't know. I don't know why she takes them off.
Maybe they test so many bottles.
Maybe. But it seems like she's looking for certain ones.
Yeah.
Line 4 filler. Oh, they're not filled all the way. Look, the bottom of the cart of the box says low filled.
It was me. Oh,
on this side. So I bet they didn't get filled enough.
that one barely didn't get any.
Yeah.
Huh.
So she has to look to see which ones are not filled all the way. And this guy looks like he makes sure that they all get capped. Not too sure what she does down there. Let's move down and see. Is this kind of neat? This is a factory.
They come in here, and this is where they get the labels put on.
Oh, they get their label? You see how it's putting that Tabasco?
Oh, and it puts the sealer on the top, too. Or the Tabasco sticker
Or it-
on the neck.
Yeah, and I think it also...
Screws the cap on?
No, I think the cap's already screwed on.
It just grabs them by the cap?
Yeah, it grabs them by the cap because it's got to put one on the top and the bottom.
Oh, so they go through that orange thing, and that turns into going there.
That's right.
That's right, bud.
And then they go into there.
And then you see how they get their sticker?
Uh-huh.
See how they put their sticker on them right
And
there?
then they go,
They go to that lady. What do you think she does with them?
put them in rounds,
I don't know.
or puts them in cups.
Looks like she might be testing some of them.
I think they didn't have caps.
They didn't have caps?
Yeah. So see, she put a cap on it and she stuck it back.
Ah. Look, this is how many bottles of Tabasco were produced today.
38,000. No.
387,980. They do 10 like every, gosh. Wow.
Look, she's adding the label stickers.
Look how fast that's faster than a second. They do 10 bottles faster than a second.
Wow.
That's crazy. It puts the
Seals the cap on.
the seal on it. Yeah.
But what does that turning thing do?
It lets the plastic out so that it can go on top of the bottle cap.
That's where all the plastic is that seals it. You see on the bottom, the big turn? It's turning right there. And that's all the plastic that they use to put on the top.
And it says these green bottles are going to South Africa.
Going all the way to South Africa. How cool is that?
I know how the plastic goes, that thing takes it in, and then it drops in there.
That's right, bud. They put it in there, and then it goes around the bottles. Is that cool?
This guy is putting the boxes in the machine, and they're gonna.
And they're getting
down
boxed.
there, they're getting put in the boxes.
Yeah, there's the box machine. Can you see it up top? So you got all the boxes, and then the boxes are going right there, and the bottles are getting boxed up. That's a lot of
It's
Tabasco.
the same thing. It seals the bottles.
You want to start all over? Okay. Factories are kind of neat, huh?
Now we need to go in number 8.
Yeah, but you just started all over.
I just want to walk along going fast.
Going fast, yeah.
Bubble computer.
What?
Bubble computer.
Bubble computer? Oh yeah, the bubble computer. I don't know what that is. I don't know why I find factory lines so interesting. I think it's just the businessman inside of me and seeing like a system in place that can pump out product that's sold to the market worldwide. I think that that's so cool that we've come to a time in technology where we can make something like that happen. It's so neat, and it's so cool that there's one, like, this is so close to us. There's a problem on the line. They had a malfunction of some sort. Something stuck. They're trying to fix it. They're saying, something's wrong with this one right here. Let me see if I can figure it out. This guy's saying, yeah, I think you need to do this right here and turn that right there, and then we'll put that in there. And he's saying, okay, let me turn this and let me move that. Make sure it gets right. You think that's what they're saying?
No.
And that girl right there saying, okay, I'll hold the bottles here, and you guys figure this out. We're having a problem here. That lady's just walking by. She's saying, looks like they have a problem. And then I think he may have figured it out. Let's see. They're putting it back on the line. Is it gonna work? Did they figure out the problem? He's gonna turn it back on. Oh, there it goes. Starting up again. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
They started the factory back up. Is that super cool? Do you want to own a factory one day, bud? You want to own all these machines and sell some products somewhere?
Well, what did that machine do?
They all do the same thing, bud. They make Tabasco. So to somebody, all this is an asset. Yeah, because it creates a product and they sell that product. And so that puts money into their pocket every month.
Dad, I want to go all the way back there.
You want to look at it again? Look, we're up to 403,000 for today.
All the way back down.
All the way back down. So think about that. 403,000 times, how much does a bottle of Tabasco cost? Like $3?
Keep going, keep going.
Over $1 million? Right there, since we've been, you know, for today.
No,
Okay, so this is the line right here. They have the filler, the capper, the accumulating table, the labeler, hang on bud, another accumulating table, a sealer, a heat tunnel, an accumulating table, a carton machine, a tray maker, an accumulator, a shrink wrapper, a case packer, and a conveyor. I guess that goes out to the loading docks. Pretty cool, huh bud? Yeah? I think it's great. Oh, you're getting heavy. I think I might need to tickle you a little bit. You don't want to be tickled?
no.
I can't tickle you at the Tabasco factory? Are you sure? It's a good place to tickle someone. Alright, come on, let's go. Stand up. You ready? Look, Mama's right over there. Let's go see her. Look, wave to him. Wave to him. Say bye. Alright. You had fun looking at the line? What do you learn here?
That North Korea and Iran, all the places that are super hostile, Zimbabwe, are pretty much the only places where Tabasco doesn't get shipped.
Oh wow. That's crazy.
Zimbabwe?
Yeah. Madagascar?
Maybe that's a lot of shipping, I don't know. What
Huh. Hang on, bud, I'm talking.
Sudan, Ethiopia, Uganda, Nigeria, Libya.
And
Anywhere
look.
there's civil unrest.
Guyana, Suriname.
We got the children here.
It even comes out to French Polynesia. And Kiribati.
I read a book about that.
Yes, Jock, yes.
Sorry, over there in the United States.
Did that bug make the sauce?
Nope, this is just a big plastic thing.
But what is that bug?
Oh, it's just I don't know what that bug is. Is that a mosquito? It's a mosquito up there.
There was a Super Bowl commercial
Uh-huh.
where a guy's eating pizza and he puts Tabasco sauce on it and a mosquito lands on him.
And the mosquito explodes.
I didn't remember that.
You do or don't?
Don't.
No? I remember that. Yeah. The 2010?
Mom scared me with that mosquito.
She was like nervous. She's like, what happens if you go underneath it? I said, well, no, I'll go underneath it. So I went underneath it and I went,
Aww. Hey, what's y'all's favorite kind of Tabasco sauce?
Can you read the names?
Okay, they have habanero, buffalo, the regular, chipotle, garlic pepper sauce, green pepper sauce, and sweet and spicy.
look, if we go to the gift shop, we can try them.
Yeah?
I think
I told her that we would
Hold on,
buy
let her
a little
answer.
bottle. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know y'all.
So which one's your favorite?
what color?
Sure. What color?
Which one is the regular, Ben? Do you know?
This one is regular.
That one's regular, yeah.
I like my favorite color of the Tabasco. Is that Tabasco?
Yeah.
What color?
Green.
The green one? You like the green pepper?
I like the sweet.
The sweet one?
And
Ooh.
which one is the sweet one?
At the end.
All the way on the end, sweet and spicy.
You want to go try some?
This one's my favorite right here. Do y'all recognize this bottle? Dad gets this one all the time.
I
The Chipotle.
like this one.
You like that one, the original? Yeah?
Chipotle.
You gonna try the Chipotle? Okay.
Is it spicy?
Uh-huh. You've actually had it before. Whenever you were 2 years old, you took a little taste.
And then I
In fact, I'm gonna add that clip right now into this vlog.
That's hot sauce.
Yeah. Put your finger in it.
I like it.
Are you sure? Oh, here, drink some water, quick. Drink some more.
Do you like it?
That's too hot, huh? That burns your tongue. Here, try a bite of this. It'll make your tongue feel better. No. It's avocado.
So she was asking about the Tabasco sauce that I was putting on my fajita. And Chris said, you want to let her try it? I said, that is up to you.
I mean, we're gonna kill her.
Yeah, I know.
I think it's too hot.
It's too hot for you.
Dad, I liked it.
You thought it was a little spicy and you had to drink some water. And then Mom put an avocado in your mouth
Why?
to try and cool down the heat.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
You can't go in there, but you can look in there. What are they doing?
Not
More of the line, it looks like. That's where they, oh yeah, look. They shrink wrapped a whole bunch of them together, and then they're gonna put them in a box. And then they put those boxes on the trucks and they ship them out. Do you see them moving back there? Those green boxes? Yeah, there's about 6 bottles all together, and no, it's more than 6. 9 bottles, 12 bottles. A whole bunch of bottles all put together in a package, and they ship those out. All the way down the line till they get pushed into the box. Is that super cool? Yeah. So all these machines are an asset to somebody. Because this is somebody's business. Hang on, bud, I'm talking. And so they pack up all this Tabasco and they sell it on the market. And that's how they make money. Just like how you had a lemonade stand and you made lemonade and you sold it to everybody. These people make Tabasco sauce and they sell it to everybody. Kind of cool, huh?
Dad, can we go inside?
We are inside.
We can't go in there. That's where
Oh no, we can't go in there. You want to see in there, bud? I can pick you up. What are you doing, Amelia?
Tabasco ice cream.
Tabasco ice cream?
Tabasco
Oh.
ice cream!
Whoa!
I was thinking about if I like ice cream, then I like Tabasco ice cream.
Oh, okay, well let's go find out. We're gonna go inside the country store. You gonna try the ice cream? It's not spicy.
Not.
The raspberries are all the sauce, and the jalapeno is just a jalapeno flavor.
Okay.
More than
Is it spicy?
the Coke
No.
is spicy.
The which one?
Coke is spicy.
The Coke is spicy, okay.
Y'all can drink with the kids.
Yeah.
Get
Let me
us
taste
food
that.
for the kids.
Oh yeah, okay. Here, kids. Spoon.
One.
Spoon.
So you can try this.
Mm-hmm.
So you can
Definitely
share.
different.
Yep.
Mm.
Kind of good. You like it, bud?
Good ice cream.
Good ice cream?
It tastes a little bit spicy.
A little spicy.
A little spicy?
A little spicy.
Did it have a little bit of a kick? Yeah? You like it?
Not really.
No?
It's really fresh.
Jalapeno?
Spicy.
Jalapeno.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Jalapeno.
See, this one's not bad.
Is that bad?
Spicy.
Not really bad.
So sweet.
It's sweet, yeah.
No.
I like that one better.
I think I like the raspberry one better.
Oh, this one is
It's
very,
good, though.
very, very good. Oh, this one is very, very good.
You like that one, bud? The jalapeno?
A little hot.
It's a little hot?
You say I love hot?
A little hot?
Yeah, a little hot.
Do you like the jalapeno, Amelia? The one Mom's eating?
Yeah.
All right, soda.
Oh gosh.
Trying Tabasco soda.
Tabasco soda pop. You waiting for me to go first?
Uh-huh.
It smells like Coke.
Yeah?
I will not have a taste.
It's weird because it like it doesn't taste hot, but it feels hot.
Huh.
Watch, drink it.
Okay.
It's not gonna hurt him,
This is
bud.
what it looks like.
Can't see. Okay. Oh. smells like regular Coke.
Yeah, it smells like regular
Here,
Coke.
let's move out the way.
Yeah, let's move out.
Come see, Amelia.
All right. Here we go. Huh.
Like feels hot in the back of your throat and,
Yeah.
and in your nose.
It's definitely like right here.
It was in my
I
nose.
can feel it.
But it doesn't taste spicy.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah, on the tongue it's not spicy. It's only in the throat.
And in my nose.
I guess because maybe it goes over your tongue so fast.
Or the sugar, I don't know.
You guys know? Have y'all ever had Tabasco Coke before? Did they want to try it?
No.
No? Too spicy?
Look how cute.
Do you guys have a favorite flavor of Tabasco? Let me know that down in the comments below. That's y'all's question of the day. What's your favorite flavor of Tabasco? Those are the wood chips I was talking about. Flip it over. That's where they take the old barrels and they make wood chips out of them.
I wonder how much it is, because that'd be a good gift.
Yeah, that would be a good gift. Spicy
Try the
salt.
sour, you might want to try it with the spoon.
With a spoon. Yeah. Good idea.
Get home with pretzel.
Let's try it.
Does it taste spicy?
Mm. Yeah, a little bit. Oh yeah, it's got a kick. Yeah, once you get that salt mixed in with it, it kicks.
So if you food needs a little bit of salt, a little bit of spice, that's perfect.
Right, yeah. Oh man, hotter than I expected. That was spicy.
Daddy,
You want to try the spicy salt, hon? It's really spicy.
Why did you eat so much of
I
it?
don't know. I really didn't have that much. Yeah, bud?
Do you want to try the ketchup?
I tried the ketchup. It was good. Sriracha.
Is it spicy?
Yes, don't eat that.
Too spicy?
It's too spicy for her, yeah.
Mmm, that is good. Yeah, that's really good. Mmm. Go give that to her. Give it to her. And she'll give you your bottle of Tabasco. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me see. Ooh, look, you got a bunch in there.
Ooh.
Oh, is that exciting? You want to see, bud? All right, you want to try some of these? Which ones do you want to try?
Here.
Yeah, bud, some pretzels.
Something we haven't had before.
The garlic and spicy.
Yeah, the sweet
No,
and
actually,
spicy.
I'm gonna try that.
Which one is not spicy?
Is it good?
Yeah. I think I like the sriracha better though.
You like the sriracha? That sriracha one was good.
What
It's
one
just
not
really spicy.
spicy?
They're all spicy.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's sweet and spicy. Mmm.
Took a ball out of mine.
We have a little more of that.
Oh look. This is not spicy.
Do you want the sriracha?
You guys have apiaries on site? Like apiaries, like the bee boxes. Here, Amelia.
The bees that
No.
pollinate the peppers.
Look, buddy,
Yeah.
it's Tabasco honey.
That's cool. So it's pollen
Is that good?
pepper flower bee.
Don't
Take a pretzel out of the box.
Is that good? You trying some Tabasco honey? Yeah.
Another one.
It tastes so good.
You like
I
that?
want another one.
One more.
Yeah, me too, me too.
I'll try this pepper jelly.
Here.
We got that plenty of times.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The Tabasco one? Yeah, I guess so.
Let's see. Oh, spicy salt.
My favorite, Chipotle. So good. It's that smoky flavor. It's so good. What's that one?
Tabasco ketchup.
Ketchup. Some ketchup. Is it spicy? Is it no? You want some ketchup, Amelia?
I want some ketchup.
That one?
No.
Oh,
Wait, yeah, that's the
yeah.
one.
There you go.
I know I want chocolate.
You want to have that one, bud?
It's not spicy enough.
It's ketchup. Tabasco ketchup.
I want the sweet and spicy too. Do you see that one? Lane, do you want to try some of this chili?
Yummy.
Yummy? Is it spicy?
A little.
A little, but it's kind of good. You all right? Hey, look, watch out. That's what this leads by.
The garlic marinade.
Is it good? You like it? Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
I'm gonna try that. Ooh, chipotle pepper salsa.
Yeah, it says sweet and spicy right here.
Is
Yeah.
that one spicy?
Have you tried honey and Mr. Rocky before? Yeah.
A little bit. You want to taste it? No, it's not that spicy.
Yeah, because remember he.
It's up to you. Nope. Okay.
You fixed it for that man. We were talking about it the other day.
Which one
Chipotle
is
salsa.
You try it?
Yeah, I just did. Yeah, my style.
Is
And try
this
their
the
ketchup.
Are these both the regular Bloody Mary? Oh, there's the.
Ketchup. What else?
I want to try more of that honey.
Of the honey? You want some more honey? Where's the honey? Right there.
One more.
Here you go, bud.
Yeah.
Can you reach it?
See, not bad. I think it's just a It's so good.
Did you try the extra spicy?
Yeah.
Soy sauce, Worcestershire, teriyaki, mayonnaise.
I don't know.
I want to try this one.
What is it?
Some buffalo style for wings. Chicken wings.
Spicy?
Mm-hmm. Sounds a little spicy.
What?
Hey,
What's that?
Tomato sauce.
Bloody Mary mix.
Yeah? Is it good? Yeah? What does it taste like?
You would hate it. It's kind of V8-ish.
V8? Oh yeah, I'm not a fan of the V8. Is it spicy?
A little, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
Hey!
there was, Mom, what's your, that you just, had?
Bloody Mary.
What you getting here?
That's the sweet and spicy one.
Oh, okay. You wanna get it? You wanna taste any others?
I've seen these in at the grocery store.
Yeah, I've never seen that either.
Everything is available in the stores.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's up to store managers
What they wanna
in the
carry.
store. There's only 2 that's not available in the stores. It's only available here or online, which is the Family Reserve and the Raspberry Chipotle.
Oh, okay, okay. Huh.
Where have we had the raspberry chipotle before?
Josh and Steph gave us a bottle.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So now,
But you can order it online.
Online. Yeah, okay.
when we ate all this, I'm going to keep the bottles and then pretend that I have real Tabasco sauce.
Oh, okay. That sounds like a good idea. You're gonna eat it all?
Nope.
No? Who's gonna eat it?
You and Mom.
Oh, okay.
I buy it so I could taste one little taste.
One little taste?
One little tiny piece.
Okay. Alright guys, this was a pretty fun tour, I gotta say. They have a lot of interesting history around here. Come on, Amelia. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click that subscribe button if y'all want more family fun travel videos. Remember to click that bell button if you want to get notified of our videos. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for being...
Shiggity hot sauce stink. Shiggity hot shake.